In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your teacher Sabah Fazel and today I will teach you English. So let's start the day with the name of Allah. All of you hold your arms, sit nicely, bow your head. First of all we will recite Tawuz and Tasmiyah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Surah Ikhlas. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid walam yulad, walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. First kalma tayyib. Tayyib means purity. La ilaha illallahu Muhammad Rasulullah. Now let's recite names of Allah. Nas'aluka ya man huwa Allahu allazi la ilaha illa huwa ar-Rahmanur Rahim. Al-Malikul Quddusus Salamu Al-Mu'minul Muhayminul Azizul Jabbar. Now all of you raise your hand for dua. Now we will recite dua for seeking knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. O great Allah, increase my knowledge. Ameen. Now I will tell you about nature. What is nature? The things created by Allah are the part of nature. And clouds are also the part of nature because clouds are created by Allah Ta'ala. And you know, clouds are the sign of pleasant or rainy weather. And clouds are the great blessing of Allah, especially when the weather is hot. Now, let's come to the concept, and the concept of the week is in and out. In means andar, out means bahar. Now look at this picture. There are two monkeys. One is in the box and the other one is out of the box. In, out. In, out. Now I will tell you about shapes. In previous weeks we learned about triangle, rectangle, square, circle and oval shape. Today we will learn about new shape. And this shape is diamond shape. You know, diamond has 4 equal sides. Which shape is this? Diamond shape. Look at this picture. Fish, kites and flower. Fish, kites and flower. These objects are of diamond shape. What is the shape of fish? Diamond shape. What is the shape of kites? Diamond shape. And what is the shape of flower? Yes, diamond shape. All these objects are of diamond shape. Now it's your writing time. Today we will do work of English workbook. Page number 11 and 12. So all of you open your workbook, page number 11 and 12. Okay students, let's start the work. All of you open page number 1111 and the topic is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, it means khali jagah pur karein. So we will write the next letter, okay? What is this? This is F. We will write the next letter. So let's sing the poem of alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. F, G. F, G. So we will write here Jigar. This is the dot of Jigar. Move back. Make Sikhar. Go up. Come down straight. But before touching the fourth line, we will take a small turn like this. Okay, this is G. F, G. Now which letter is this? C. So let's sing the poem. A, B, C, D, C, D, C, D. So we will write here D. This is the dot. Come down straight. Touch the third line and stop. Now put your pencil on the second line. Move back. Make semicircle like this. This is D. D, C, D, C, D. Now next letter is I. Let's sing the poem. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, I, J. So we will write here J, I, J. Start from the dot, come down straight. Before touching the fourth line, we will take a small turn like this. And put your dot in the center of two lines. Now next letter is E. A, B, C, D, E, F, E, F. So we will write here F. Put your pencil on the dot. Take a round turn. Come down straight. Touch the third line and stop. Now make small hand on the second line. Okay? This is F. Now next letter is K. K. Let's sing the poem. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, K, L, K, L. So we will write here L. Start from the dot. Come down straight, but before touching the third line, we will take a small turn. Okay? This is L. Now next letter is A. What comes after A? B. A, B. So we will write here B. Straight come down, touch the third line. Now reverse back. Touch the second line and make semicircle on the second and third line. This is B. A, B. Now next letter is G. What comes after G? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, G, H. So we will write here H. Start from the dot, come down straight, touch the line. Now reverse back before touching the second line. Before touching the second line, you will take a round turn like this and then come down again. This is H. And last letter is J. It comes after J, K. J, K. Straight come down, touch the third line. Now reverse, go slant, touch your second line. Now put your pencil in the center of this slant line. Again go slant, touch the third line and stop. This is your page number 11. So let's start the next activity. Write first letter of the picture. Look at the first picture. What is this? Hammer. Hammer. Hammer is the sound of H. So we will write H. Straight come down. Touch the third line. Now reverse back. Before touching the second line, you will take a round turn and then touch this line. Come down straight and stop. H. Hammer. Now next picture. Owl. 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 Is the sound of O. Start from here. Move back. Make semicircle. Another semicircle. And close it like this. This is O. Owl. Now next picture. Rain. Look at the clouds. What's happening? It's raining. Rain. Rain. R is the sound of R. So let's start writing R. Straight come down, touch the third line, reverse back, go slant, touch the second line, a little bit come down and stop. R. Rain. Goat. Goat. G. Goat. G is the sound of G. So we will write here G. G. Goat. Move back. Make semicircle. Go up. Touch a dot. Now come down. But before touching the fourth line, you will take a round turn and then touch this line. G. G. Goat. Next picture. Net. Net. N is the sound of N. Straight come down, reverse back, go slant, make mountain. N. Net. N. N. Net. Now next picture is kite. Kite. K is the sound of K. Straight come down, touch the third line, now go slant, touch the second line. Now put your pencil in the middle of this line and again go slant. K, k, kite. K, k, kite. Now next is moon. Moon. Is the sound of M. Straight come down, reverse back, make one mountain, again reverse back, make another mountain. M. Moon. M has two mountains. Now last picture is socks. Socks. S is the sound of S. So let's start writing S. Move back, make semicircle, take a turn, make another semicircle. S. Socks.